Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make the arrowroot and red rice bean soup made by pressure pot. This Chinese-style soup is believed to be good at reducing water retention and removing internal heat from the body. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of other yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients now. Full recipe is in description underneath the video. Place pork in a pot of cold water and bring it to boil and blanch for a few minutes. Rinse pork with tap water, then drain well. Red rice bean is narrower and smaller than regular red beans. Peel skin off from arrowroot. Arrowroot is quite hard to cut, so be careful cutting it into larger pieces. Soak dried orange peel in water to soften. Scrape off white stuffs underneath skin. Put all ingredients into the pressure pot. Pork, arrowroot pieces, red rice beans, dates, and orange peel. Add hot water. Pressure cook for 45 minutes. Naturally release pressure for 15 minutes, then carefully open lid. Add salt to taste. Scoop out. Let me try. Very rich and tasty. The yummy and nutritious arrowroot and red rice bean soup is now ready to serve. Enjoy!